He lazy. Hey everyone, last time you saw us we were finishing up our floors. So today we're going to be cutting our vinyl panels and laying our vinyl flooring, and then we're going to be framing our wheel wells. So stay tuned and check out what we get done. Step one is going to be to frame the back of the bus. So I'm starting in the back. You're supposed to offset the back of them, so you don't want all of them starting at the same spot. You want them offset. So one is going to start there, one is going to start a little bit further down. That way it looks more natural. So you can see I've cut that side to fit. So we're using this multi-purpose floor adhesive and we're rubbing it on the ground, and then we take our vinyl floor panel. It is peel and stick, but we're using the extra adhesive just for extra protection so that it doesn't come off as easily. Alright everyone, step one, cut your 2x4s for the length and width of your wheel wells. Step two of framing your wheel wells, you cut about 3-inch long pieces for your ends, and you're going to frame them in. We got our wheel well frame going in, and Connor just cut us a little piece, let's see, of plywood, and that's just gonna go right on the edge and close in our frame. We're gonna fill in the middle there with our Havelock wood. Okay guys, we cut our last piece for the wheel well. This is going to be the lid, and go ahead and slap her on there. Oh, that is a perfect fit, I tell you what.
I'll tell you what.
Havelock wool unboxing.
Unbagging.
Unbagging.
Yeah, they're like little strips.
They come in little strips, everyone, in case you're wondering. They're expanding as we speak. Woo! She stuffed. I'm measuring out the last pieces of the floor. So excited to have it done. This is the last strip right here that we have left. Alrighty guys. We got the floor completely done. I'll brush it all the way to the edge. We insulated the wheel wells and we closed them in. So the wheel wells are complete and the floor is complete. Say yay.